I'm showing you this Victoper Kids Swim Goggles 2-pack anti-fog and UV swimming goggles for child 3 to 15. So there is a very nice box, storage box that comes with this, and you can see the whole, like, this is the two set swimming goggles, and comes with the accessories as well. So this is a manual how you can increase. So there are different nose clips that comes that you can change. So depending on the size, that which size or for which kid you want to use. So this is the protective layer you can remove, and you can see like this shiny glasses, easy to see from it, but is leak proof and UV light proof. So soft bristles, and you can just open this hook to wear, or you can also adjust this with this side ones. So very soft air cup, eye cups that comes on the eyes. So this one be helpful, and then you can adjust the size using this the side door. So you can change these nose clips depending on your requirement, and you can see it here as well, like the way. So three sizes of the changeable clips, and it comes with a nose clip and the earplugs. So it is definitely a good size and the good kit for a complete kit for the goggles, ear plugs, and the nose clip, and also the different size for the different ways. So nice quality and the nice swim goggles for the kids.